Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Microsoft Teams for notifications from automation workflows step by step clearly. To register with Microsoft Teams for notifications from automation workflows, begin by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your device. Log in using your organization's credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and select the Apps icon. In the Apps section, search for Power Automate. Click on the Power Automate app from the search results to open it. Once the app loads, you will see various options. Look for My Flows at the top. Select My Flows to view your existing automation workflows. To create a new flow, click on the plus icon or Create option. Choose the type of flow you want to create, such as an automated cloud flow. Follow the prompts to give your flow a name and select a trigger. Once your trigger is set, add necessary actions to your workflow. When you are finished designing your flow, save it by clicking on the Save button. Next, go back to the Flows Overview page and look for the Settings option. In the Settings, there will be a section for notifications. Enable notifications for Microsoft Teams by toggling the switch if necessary. Select the Teams channel where you want the notifications to be sent. You may also customize the message that will appear in Teams when the workflow triggers. Confirm your selections and save any changes to your flow. Lastly, test your automation by executing the trigger and checking your selected Teams channel for notifications. You are now successfully registered with Microsoft Teams for notifications from your automation workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.